Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about top 5 green leafy vegetables that you can grow this summer. These are super easy and you can grow them at home. Okay, so I have mustard, then fenugreek, chickpeas, and then these are some seeds that I got from Walmart. In this we have spinach and lettuce. Then I have some of these ones. So I'll make a separate video for these ones. I'll just tell you the names at the end of this video. So the first one we are going to talk about is mustard seeds. As you can see here, these you can easily find in your spice box. And you can see this cute little plant here. This is actually mustard grains. These are super easy to grow. So to grow mustard seeds, you can directly sow mustard seeds into the soil and just cover them with soil and water it. Within a couple of days, you will see that the mustard will start sprouting. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you will see green leaves and they would be ready to harvest. Also, these are super cute, as I said before, so you can keep them on your kitchen table if your kitchen table gets sunlight. So at least 4 hours of sunlight these kids need. So now the second one that I have is chickpeas. It's pretty famous in Maharashtra, the place from where I am. It's also known as harbara. And you can actually eat the green leaves of this plant. So it's not very common all over India. It's mostly famous in the rural parts of India. To grow chickpea plant, take some chickpeas and soak them in water overnight. Take a cotton cloth or a bounty sheet and then put these overnight soaked chickpeas in it and wrap them up for a couple of days until they sprout. Once you see sprouts like these, they are ready to be sowed into the soil. Water the pot and keep it near a window where it will get at least 4 hours of sunlight. These sprouts will grow leaves within a week or two. After 2 to 3 weeks, these tender leaves will be ready to harvest. So I have my little chickpea plant here. I've grown this in a container which was earlier used for dosa batter. I just made some few holes in it and it's been growing really well in it. You can grow this plant indoors because it loves cool temperature. And again, this is not really grown into cities. This is more of a vegetable that's grown in the rural parts of India, and it's considered as a minor green leafy vegetable. However, the nutrition value or the nutrients which you get from the leaves is much higher as compared to spinach or cabbage. So in olden days, people used to say that this is made for the poor people and spinach is for well off. Well, that's not correct. This has really good nutrient value. So you should definitely add this to your list. So number 3 that I have on my list is fenugreek, also known as methi. You all know that. I had made a video earlier regarding how to grow methi at home, and it's super easy, super fast to grow, so that's a must again on your list. Okay, so the last 2 veggies that we have are lettuce and spinach. These are super easy to grow at home. So let's see. I'm gonna show you guys how to plant spinach. And then I've already planted lettuce. I'll show you what's the progress of it. Okay, they grow in a similar fashion. So let's start. So for this you need a container. Okay, so at least this much should be the height of the pot. So, and make sure it has enough drainage holes. So as you can see here, I've filled this pot with the potting mix. And now I'm going to spread these spinach seeds on it. So if you want to take a look at these ones, it is very simple to grow spinach. All you need to do is just sow the seeds in the soil and water the plant regularly. So just like spinach, you can plant lettuce also in similar fashion. I have already planted lettuce. I'm going to show you guys a quick update on how was the progress of my lettuce. So here it is. So this is actually a sugar jar that I've converted into a container. Here you can see the little lettuce, it's still growing. I'll keep you guys posted about it. I post every Monday on my Instagram about my gardening updates. So stay tuned on that. For those who don't know where to buy the seeds from, I have bought these seeds from Walmart. I've put down the links below so you can check it over there, or you can go to any local nursery as well and get the seeds from there as well. These are my 5 veggies. I know I said 5, but I have few more that I would really want to show you guys. These are the additional 3 ones that I'm growing currently in my garden. One is onion, spring onions. These, we need this every other day, so I've started to grow these ones. Then beet. I will show you guys the progress on my Instagram story, so stay tuned on that one. And the last one is sweet basil. Again, these are really easy to grow at home. So I have actually my sweet basil right here. I'm gonna show you guys that. Here is my cute little bottle of sweet basil. So I have grown it, if you can see here, I've grown it in a bottle. This is actually an olive oil bottle that I converted into a container. These are super easy to grow at home. And if you like to make basil pesto sauce at home, this is a must have. So that's all I have today for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this video, please put it in the comments box and I will be happy to answer your questions. Also, I have an update for you all. I have created a new Instagram page which is called as The Urban Leaves. It is going to have all my gardening updates, all my tips and hacks regarding my garden, and I will be posting all my updates on it every Monday. Currently, I'm posting it on my personal account as well as the Urban Leaves account. But from July 1st, all the gardening updates are going to be moved to strictly to the Urban Leaves. So please do follow that page. I've put the link below. Don't forget to follow that page as well. Happy gardening! Hi guys, so this is my second video where I've been talking to you guys on camera. I've been really nervous during the shoot and my husband and I, while editing, caught one error which happened unknowingly, and I would like to make it into a fun activity for you all. So, can you guess how many times did I use the word super easy in this video? I really want to know if you guys caught it, and let me know your answers in the comments box. I would love to know your feedback. Thank you so much. Happy gardening.